Okay, I'm going to try this as best I can. This is going to be a test for an IBM personal right wheel. I want to say the model number is 6718, but I'll confirm that in the listing here. So basically, right now I got cap locks on. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. To my knowledge, everything does work on this. I'm going to try to test this out as best I can. So what I'll do is just maybe just put a message on here like, this is a test. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Shift. And then what I'll do is I'll actually go through each letter. So Q, Q, W, W, E, E, R, R, T, T, Y, Y, U, U. Enter. And then I'll take a picture of this as well. So I know that this typewriter has a lot of things you can do. It does actually go all the way over. I just don't know how to do that. Because I did have it over there at one point. Now I'm going to press code and cap locks. So then we'll do all of it in uppercase now. That should be pretty much everything. The only thing that I noticed on this that, so the ribbon, obviously I have no idea how much life is left on it. And here's the test there. I'll get a picture of that as well. The ribbon, I have no idea how much life is left on it. And then also there's like a battery pack in here. I assume if power were to go out, and you're in the middle of typing something, this battery would kick over. But those batteries are pretty corroded, so I don't know. You know, you would have that option isn't probably really needed that often. But if you did want to use that option, you would have to replace that battery pack, or take out those batteries, and you could probably clean those contact points with something to get that cleaned up there. But I'll go ahead and get good pictures of everything on this and get this listed here on my eBay store, Shop Ty Ellen, later on today. Thank you.